Hello everybody and welcome back. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button below, it'll take you 1 second. Okay, today a lucky dip program that we're going to do, so let's kick off, shall we? So we're going to import random. Here, this is the random module, and now we're going to create some lists. So first list is lucky names. Okay, so that's the first list, lucky names. Okay, second list is winner name. Okay, so who's going to be the winner? Okay, the third one is winner. I'm going to call it winner prize. Okay, so now we're going to create our first function, define, I'm going to call it intro. So this is going to be our first function here, so I'm going to call this, sorry, intro. So we're going to print a message to the user. So the user knows what to do. Enter a name into the lucky dip. Okay, so that will tell the user what to do, and now we're going to create and grab some input from the user. So I'm going to call this entry is equal to input, and that's going to be let's have a look, enter a name. Don't know why I've capitalized that. Enter a name. Okay, there you go. So all the user does now is enter a name. So once they enter a name, it'll go into the lucky names list here. So we're going to create a conditional now. So if, let's say, the length of lucky names which is this list up here, if the list of lucky names, let's say, is going to be greater than 5, so if there's more than 5 names in there, we're going to do something. And we're going to print, say, list full. So we can't take any more entries in there, we can't take any more names. So list full, and we're going to say lucky names winner. So we're going to jump down to lucky names winner, which is a function we're going to be creating in another second. Or else, let's check this out. So if that's not the case, we're going to do lucky names dot append. So we're going to add names to the lucky names list. Entry, which will be the name that will be entered. So it's going to append the name that is entered to lucky names list. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go back to intro here. So we'll keep adding names to the list until there are more than 5 names in the list. Now I'm just going to save this here. Okay, I've noticed a little issue here, greater than 5. That's alright, I'm going to say greater than or equal to 5. Okay, so we're going to go on to the next function here, which is going to be called lucky names winner. So let's have a look. So we're going to create define lucky names winner. Define lucky names winner. Okay, so winner here is going to be equal to random dot choice, and that's going to be lucky names. So the names that we typed in that have been stored in this list here are going to be chosen randomly. So we're going to print out a message here and a result. So print, let's have a look. So say the lucky winner is. So let's type winner there. So that will produce the lucky winner's name. So the lucky winner is. Okay. And I'm just going to roll this up a little bit. So we're going to print the lucky winner's name here. So we're going to print. Okay, so we'll do next line here. It's going to be hello. I'm going to do some brackets here. So the winner's name will go in there. Claim your prize money. It's going to be prize money, and we're going to do dot format. That's going to be winner. So dot format winner. So the winner's name will be printed out between these curly brackets here. Okay, and then we're going to do winner name dot append to the winner here. So we're going to store the winner's name as the winner. Okay. Right, now we're going to go on to claim. So claim here is equal to input yes or no to claim the prize. So do you want to claim the prize? So if claim dot lower, the dot lower here will reduce everything that you type into lowercase so you don't get any errors, is equal to let's have a look. Now I'm going to say not equal to yes. So if it's not equal to yes, we're going to have to do something. And of course, we're gonna, if you don't want to claim your prize, we're gonna say goodbye to you. So bye 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 bye. And now we're going to do the else statement. So obviously, if it's not equal to yes, we're going to do something, and we're going to take you to your prize money, which is another function I'm going to create in a minute. Okay, so we're coming to the last function here, which is going to be prize money. So let's create that function. Define prize money. Okay, so this is the prize money. Okay, so we're going to say prize money is equal to, let's have a look here. So we're going to put some prize money in here. So prize money is equal to, I'm creating this list inside this function, by the way. So let's have a look. £10. I don't know. Let's have a look. £50. Let's be a little bit more generous. £50, and then we're going to do something like 100. Whoops. 100. I'm not going to keep typing pounds because we know what it is. We're talking about pounds here. So £100 there. And a booby prize. We always have a booby prize. Poke. Whoops. So, poke in the eye. So that's the booby prize, a poke in the eye. And we're going to have the jackpot here, which is going to be £1 million. Okay, so if you hit it lucky, you get the jackpot, £1 million. Oh, I'm just going to add a last one as well, a tenner. So the last one is going to be a tenner or £10. Okay, there we go. Right, okay, so cash prize here. Cash prize is equal to the random choice prize money. Okay, so that's the cash prize. Right, we're going to print you have won. Yeah, let's check this out. So you have won, and that's going to be cash prize. Okay, and winner prize. Dot append. It's going to be cash prize. Okay, so we've appended it to cash prize, and all that's left to do now is call the program. So I'm going to call the program by calling this function here, which is the intro. So that is how we're going to call this program. Okay, let me just save this program here. Okay, that's all the code. So I'm just going to have a look at it now. What we're going to do is we're going to run the program. So let's just run it here. I'm going to run it in full screen as well. So enter a name into a lucky dip. So I'm going to enter a name, Sid. Okay, enter a name into lucky dip, Dave. Okay, enter a name into the lucky dip, Pete. Next name I'm going to enter is Joe, and let's have a look, Bill. Okay, right, and last name I'm going to enter is Mark. Okay, so we got some readout there. So the lucky winner is Pete, so it's randomly chose the name Pete there. And we get the next message, hello Pete, claim your prize money. So you got the option of yes or no. So obviously I'm going to claim my prize money for Pete anyway. So I'm going to click yes there, and I'm just going to hit enter, and there we go, you've won a tenner. Let's try that again, make sure it really is random. So here we go, run the module again, enter a name, Sid, Dave, Steve, Bill, Joe, John. Okay, so this time the lucky winner is Bill. Hello Bill, claim your prize money. Let's have a look. Yes, why not? Okay, you have won a poke in the eye, so Bill got the booby prize. Anyway, there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope that's been useful to you. And remember, when you're doing this, what you can do, you can write this out and you can practice it and everything, and you can actually change it and modify it. See what you can do with it. Just experiment. Okay, I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.